In this class, we're going to look at the determinant of a 3 by 3 matrix. You have a 3 by 3 matrix. How do you tackle the determinant? We have seen that of 2 by 2. Now is the time to do that of what? 3 by 3. Okay? Look at this. If you want to find the determinant of this matrix, very simple. You write this down first. You take this first item, 4. Before that, this is plus, this is minus, this is plus. You alternate these signs. Okay? It means now we have plus 4. You take this plus 4, but no need to put the plus. If you want to put the plus, you can put it. Okay? Then you do this. Next is whatever on this row you remove, whatever that is on this column you remove. What is remaining is this. That is, whoever that is sharing a column with this 4 is out. Whatever that is sharing a row with the 4 is out. What is remaining at this guy? That is 0, 3, 1, and 5. Once you have done that now, you move ahead with this minus 3. Minus 3, whatever that is on this column out, on this row out. That is minus 2, 1, 3, and 5. Once you are through with that, we go for this plus 1. The same thing. Anything on the same row with 1 and column, they are out. What is remaining are this. So we put minus 2, 1, 0, 1. Okay? Once you have done this now, it's good to go. Next is follow the 2 by 2 method. You multiply this, that is 0. You multiply this, that is minus 3. Minus 3. You multiply this, that is minus 10. You multiply this, that is minus 3. Plus 1. You multiply this, that is minus 2. You multiply this, that is 0. Okay? Which is equal to, this is minus 3. This is minus 13. This is minus 2. This will give us minus 12. This will give us plus 39. This will give us minus 2. Which is minus 12 minus 2 is minus 14. Plus 39. If you subtract this now, you agree with me, you're going to have 25. 25 is the determinant of A. Okay? Let's look at this. It says, if M is equal to this, we should find the determinant of M. Okay? Let's do that. The determinant of M. We put plus, minus, plus. We take this, 3, that is plus 3. Whatever that is here and whatever that is here is out. This is what is remaining. That is minus 3, 2, minus 5, 1. Okay? Then we take minus 5. Minus 5, this is out, this is out. What is remaining is 6, minus 2, minus 5, 1. Okay? Then we go for the next one, which is 4. This is actually plus whatever that is here. Plus and minus will give us 4. Then this will go, this will go. What is remaining is 6, minus 2, minus 3, 2. Okay? Now we are good to go. This is equal to 3. This will give us minus 3 times 1 is minus 3. Minus, this will give us 10. This is minus 5. This will give us 6. This will give us minus 2 by minus 5 is plus 10. Then we put the original minus, that is minus 10. Then we put minus 4. This will give us 12. This will give us 6, that is minus 6. Okay? What you just need to do is just to be careful where you are solving this. Just that. There's nothing difficult about this. This is equal to 3. This is minus 3 plus 10. 5. This is minus 4. This is 6. Okay, let's continue. That is 3. This is 7. This is plus 20. This is 24. Okay? This will give us 21. This two will produce minus 4. This will produce 17. It means the determinant of m is 17. All you have to do is to be careful when you are solving anything determinant. Here, especially this place. Can easily miss the minus, plus. Before you know it, you make a mistake. Okay? Don't. Let's look at this. It says, if this is equal to 17, we should find the value of x. Okay? Remember, this is determinant. Because of these bars, it means it's a determinant. So what we're going to do now, we pick the first one, which is 4. We remove everything on the same column with 4 and anything on the same row with 4. What is remaining are these guys. That is 4 minus 2, x, and 3. Okay? Remember, this is plus, minus, plus. So this is minus 3 now. That is minus 3. Anything on the same column is gone, or the same row with 3 is gone. Therefore, this that is remaining, we write it down, and also this, that is s and 3. Once you are through with that, now we do plus 2. Plus 2, because this is gone, this is gone. That is minus 1, 2, 4, minus 2. Okay? Equals to 17. Now, we can move. So, this is 4. This will produce 12. This will produce minus 2x. Remember, there is minus there already. Becomes plus 2x. Then we put minus 3. This is minus 3. This is minus 2x. Okay? Then we work on this now. That is plus 2. This is 2. This is minus 8. Equals to 17. This becomes, this multiplied by this, that is 48. This multiplied by this, that is 8x. This is plus 9. This is plus 6x. This is plus 2 minus 6 equals to 17. Okay? That is to say, this one, without being told, you agree with me, is already minus 12. So let's just put it minus 12 equals to 17. Then we take these two to produce 14x. Okay? This will produce minus 3. Minus 3 into this will give us 45. That is plus 45 equals to 17. 14s now is equals to 17 minus 45. And you agree with me, if you solve this, you're going to have 28. That is minus 28. 14s equals to minus 48. Divide both sides by 14. You agree with me that s therefore is equals to minus 2. This is the answer for x. Okay? Let's look at this. So you can see, we are told that this is equals to 0. We should find the value of x. The same thing, just not to make mistakes. Don't make stupid mistake. Now, you take the first one, that is plus 3. Then, you take these guys. Anything here and here, the same row and the same column with 3 are out of it. Then, we write this x multiplied by this is what? X. Then, this will give us 0. That is minus 0. This is minus 4. We take all this one out. This multiplied by this is 1. This multiplied by this is minus 1. With the minus that was there is plus 1. Okay? Then we take this 5. We take this out. This will produce 0. This will produce minus x. All equal to 0. Very easy. This is 3. x. This is minus 4. 2 is here. 5 minus x equal to 0. 8, 5x equals to 0. You agree with me that these two will produce minus 2x minus 8 equals to 0. Therefore, minus 2s equals to 8. The variable side by minus 2. You agree with me, s is equals to minus 4. So that is our x. Let's look at this. If this is equals to this, we should find the value of x again. Okay? Just like the one we are be solving, the same thing. Just put plus, minus, plus. Then you follow the method. So for this 3, we take 3. Whatever that is here and here, the same column and row are gone. Then we take this multiplication, that is 24. This is minus x. Minus minus is plus, that is plus s. We have solved this. This is just revision. If you don't understand what we are doing, please go back to the first video on this 3 by 3 determinant. Then we go for this is minus, that is minus 5. This and this are gone. 0 and 6 will give us 0. This and this will give us minus s squared. Okay? That is that. Then we take plus 1. This is gone, this is gone. This is 0. This is minus 4x. All equal to 90. Okay? Here now, we have multiply this to have 72. This is plus 3x. This is 0 out. Minus minus is plus 5s squared. This is minus 4x equals to 90. Okay? You agree with me that this will produce for us minus x. So we're going to take this one first. That is 5s squared minus x plus 72. We take this one here, minus 90 equal to 0. We continue. This and this will produce minus 18 equal to 0. 5s squared minus 10x plus 9s minus 18 equals to this. This is quadratic equation. You should know this before you even come to matrices, okay? So no need to explain this. This will give us 5x, x minus 2, x minus 2 equals to 0, plus 9, 5s plus 9, s minus 2 equal to 0. We're going to have 5x plus 9 equal to 0, or s minus 2 equals to 0. This will give us 5s equals to minus 9, or s equal to 2. The variable side by 5, we're going to have s as equal to minus 9 over 5, or s equal to 2. Okay, although we are asked to find the value of x, this question should not be find the values of x. Okay? Hope this is understood. Thank you for viewing.